Welcome everybody. As you can see, I've got the Organa twins today. Not sure how I ended up with two of them, but I did. This one's got a little bit of the gold trim left on the dress. I think that's what this is supposed to represent, where this is pretty much all faded off on this one, so I guess technically this one's in better condition. And this got some discoloration on her neck here too. It's sort of random. Because I think the back side's alright. They both, no real details on the back, like I say, just tailoring details. I think this is how Star Wars represented dresses on their action figures back in the day. Well, I've been messing around with these all week. I've never thought to see what year was the copyright on them. Let's see. 1980, I think it's. Over on the monitor. Yeah, 1980 copyright. Okay. But her Leia Organa in her Bespin attire. I think it's sort of like Han. Yesterday, everything I said about, I've already covered Leia, but I guess just have once the Hoth Leia. I don't have the original New Hope Leia. But say it's standard Star Wars action figures, mildly posable. Got the feet holes. Let's see. I don't even know if these will. Well, they do stand up. Sort of surprising with those teeny tiny feet. But anyway, not much else to say about her. Got the ornate hair stuff going that they sort of actually does represent fairly close to what happened in the movie. Of course, this is another one of those, she was in that prime playtime for me. So these all got used extensively, but anyways, that's all I got for that. So thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.